Hi. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Angel. I'm a little disheveled, a lot disheveled, because I'm up on the roof doing the roof job. It is day 8, I believe, and I already had to go get more rolls of stuff, and lo and behold, I need more rolls of stuff. I have just a few areas of the parapet and detail work where I'm just not going to be able to make what I have work. And then the other thing I need is, you see these black strips, those are meant to go under or get some white granules, which I did not get. So tip number 1 on day 8 is you're probably going to need more materials than you think, even after you calculate more materials than you think. I think the rule of thumb is 30%, and that does seem to hold fairly true. I'm using self-adhesive modified bitumen. Thank goodness the heat gun does make it stick, because also, lo and behold, it doesn't stick that well in 50-degree temps, even though it says it sticks in 40-degree temps. And it's actually easier to work with to some degree when it's a little bit cold, but it is then slower. Look at that sunset going on. It's a little bit slower to heat up with the heat gun. If I had a helper, then we could probably make better time, but working on it on my own today. So summation of the lessons of today is gonna need more materials than you think. You're gonna need helping hands if you can get them, because like it took me quite a while to winch that heavy 100-pound roll up here by myself, but I did do it. I guess that would be lesson 3, is it can be done by yourself, but it's easier with help. Lesson number 4 is the wind is not your friend. Lesson number 5 is the heat gun is your friend, but it makes for slow time. Other than that, other than just a couple, I don't know if you can see back there, over there, I've got several little spots that need more edges and several middle detail spots. I do have my underlayer, my base coat, and all my openings sealed up with roofing sealant. So thankfully, because I did have a little bit of moisture this morning, not enough to be of concern, but and I'm not expecting any moisture for the next few days, just freezing temps, which I was trying to get this done before, and yay, I have, for the most part, except for, like I said, turns out I'm gonna have to go get one more roll, and rather than haul it up here, I will probably just measure and cut down there. That's about $100 a roll, so I'm well over budget. I guess that would be lesson 5 or 6, however many lessons we're up to. Gonna go over budget, gonna need more materials than you think, gonna need more time than you think, but it can be done. Anything is possible, and a positive attitude sure does help. Helping hands sure do help. There's a learning curve, of course. This is definitely not going to be the prettiest roofing job ever done, but it'll be all right, and it should hopefully be functional. And if it's not, well, I know who's to blame, just me. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or comments, helpful hints for others. Since I'm going to buy another roll anyway, there's a couple problem areas like this that wrinkled up a lot, and I'm probably just gonna, that's because of my imperfections and my hurried trying to do it on my own, so I'm probably gonna reinforce that with an extra strip, assuming I have any strips left by the time I get my parapets done. So all I have left to do is lots of heat gunning, a couple more strips on the parapets like that, and then edging strips, which who knows how long that's going to take. I have metal termination bars. They get screwed in along with some sealant along those edges. Could take a day or two, realistically, depending on the weather and whether or not I have help. such is life. I am grateful to have a roof at all, and that I got it, that I am getting it replaced. Feels good. So as always, I wish you love and laughter and lightheartedness. I thank you for stopping by. I welcome your questions and comments. Check out the description if you want to help support me or contact me. There's lots of ways to do that. Ciao for now.